Hello, my name is Sara. Today I wanted to share some tidying and cooking inspiration with you. Last week my daughter sprained her ankle and was on crutches, so I'm just tidying up her schoolwork and cleaning up the dining room before we make lunch. Today was a rainy, gray day, and so I wanted to make something cozy, so we had a vegetarian lentil soup. This jade plant must have gotten dry over the winter, so it uprooted easily. I'm hoping that replanting it and giving it a good soaking will help revive it. My dad makes this delicious sandwich bread every week and brings us a loaf. It makes great cheesy toast with fresh chives and was really tasty with our lentil soup. daughter makes this sink scrub with baking soda, olive oil, and essential oils. This one was lemon scented. It makes the sink shine and it smells so clean. It's amazing how much dirt hides behind the stoves. That and hair bands, they seem to multiply and turn up everywhere. Thank you so much for being here. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!